Welcome back, folks. Today we're going to learn how to use the completing the square method to find the vertex of a quadratic. We have an equation that says y equals negative 3x squared plus 12x minus 17. Now, in order to get this into our vertex form, our answer is going to have to look like y equals a x minus h quantities squared plus k, where h, k equals our vertex. We're going to begin by adding 17 to both sides because it's not doing us any good where it is. We now have, 17. We now have y plus 17 equals negative 3x squared plus 12x. Next, we will divide the negative 3 out of our problem. That gives us negative 3 on the outside, and on the inside it gives us x squared minus 4x. Now I'm going to take the b term. So b is negative 4. And then I'm going to divide it by 2, and then I'm going to square it. So if I take a negative 4 and divide by 2, I get negative 2, but negative 2 squared equals positive 4. So now we have negative 3x squared minus 4x plus 4. This 4 right here completed the square for us. But if I'm going to add 4 on the inside, I have to subtract 4 on the outside. And don't forget, we factored a negative 3 out of the inside. So we're going to have to multiply that negative 4 by negative 3. Now we have this. We have y plus 17 equals negative 3, then we have x squared minus 4x plus 4. And let's go ahead and multiply negative 4 times negative 3. Okay, now we may as well subtract our 17. So we have negative 3 x squared minus 4x plus 4. And if we subtract 17 here, we have negative 5. Finally, we're going to factor this quadratic. And by adding 4, it's going to allow us to factor. And our factor is going to look like y equals negative 3 x minus 2 quantity squared minus 5. That's going to give us a vertex of positive 2, negative 5. Thank you. That is all.